Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 9th math, and we have been discussing these triangles from last some classes. Now in these triangles we discuss so many things, types of triangles when we consider the sides of triangle, and types of triangles when we consider the angles of a triangle. Then we discuss in detail the how to make two triangles congruent, and this is the main thing in this chapter, how to make two triangles congruent. And there are as many as 4 rules of congruency: SAS, then SSS, then ASA, and RHS. These are the 4 rules how to make two triangles congruent. Now proceeding further in this chapter, now it is second exercise, that is 7.2. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equivalent to AC. Now we are given that this is an isosceles triangle. And you know what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. And here AB is equivalent to AC. This is given that AB is equivalent to AC. And one more thing, we know that in an isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. When sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal, and when angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. Or we can say equal sides have equal angles opposite to them, or equal angles have equal sides opposite to them. Now it is given that ABC is a triangle in which AB is equivalent to AC. The bisectors of angle B and angle C. Now these are equal angles. Angle B is equivalent to angle C, and they are bisectors. This is the bisector, and this is here the bisector, and these two bisectors meet at point O, and OA is joined. This is joined. Now we have to prove that OB is equivalent to OC. This is our requirement. OB is equivalent to OC. And the second thing is that we have to show that OA bisects angle A. OA bisects angle A. Now solution. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equivalent to AC. You know, it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB is equivalent to AC, and therefore angle B is equivalent to angle C because equal sides have. Therefore angle B is equivalent to angle C because equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. So when sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So angle B is equivalent to angle C, and 1/2 of angle B is obviously equal to 1/2 of angle C. Why do we do this? Let us take these two triangles, AOB and AOC. Now in triangles AOB and AOC, you see here AB is equivalent to AC. This is given. We take these two triangles, AOB and AOC, these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. Now AB is equivalent to AC, this is given, and this angle, because angle when holes are equal, halves are also equal. Whole of angle B is equal to whole of angle C. Now they are bisectors, therefore their halves are also equal. This angle 1 is equivalent to angle 2. Why? Because holes are equal, their halves are also equal. Angle 1 is equivalent to angle 2 because angle B, 1/2 of angle B is equal to 1/2 of angle C. Okay, and this OA is is equal to OA. This is common. Now see, these two triangles are congruent. This triangle and this triangle is congruent. AOB is congruent. Triangle AOB is congruent triangle AOC. Now see which criteria we have used here. Side angle side is equal to side angle side by SAS, congruency rule or axiom. So triangle AOB is congruent triangle AOC when two triangles are congruent by CPCTOB is equal to OC. Also this angle is equal to angle this, we can name it angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPCT. When angle 3 is equal to angle 4, what does OA but that is OA bisects angle A. That is, or in other words, we can write OA bisects angle A. This was our requirement. So we have been telling you that once you are able to make two triangles congruent, then the things will follow. And your concern was OB is equal to OC and OA bisects angle A. This was to be done, but you have to make these two triangles congruent. Once you are able to make these two triangles congruent, then you can write OB is equal to OC. This is our requirement. OB is equal to OC because corresponding parts of congruent triangles CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Also angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because triangles are congruent. When 3 is equal to 4, that is OA bisects angle A and divides it into two equal parts. This was question number 1. Now question number 2 is, ABC is a triangle. AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Now ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. This is given. ABC is a triangle. AD is the perpendicular bisector. AD is perpendicular and bisector. Two things. AD is perpendicular to BC. Also it bisects BC. That is BD is equal to DC. This is given. It is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means that AD is perpendicular on BC and also AD bisects BC. Bisects means it divides it into two equal parts, that is BD is equal to DC. Now we have to prove that AB is equal, this is our concern, AB is equal to AC. I think this is very easy, you can do it at your home. Let us proceed that solution. In triangle ABD and ACD. Now we take these two triangles ABD and ACD. Now see, this BD is equivalent to DCY because AD is the perpendicular bisector, as AD bisects BC. This is given, bisects BC. So this side, this BD of this triangle is equal to DC of this triangle. Also angle 1 is equal to angle 2y each 90. Angle 1, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 each 90. Now what is AD? AD is equal to AD. AD belongs to this triangle, it belongs to this triangle, so this is common. So three things, side angle side is equal to side angle side. By SAS criterion, the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent triangle ACD by SAS axiom or congruency rule. Two triangles are congruent, and when two triangles are congruent, therefore AB, this was to be proved, AB is equal to AC. You can write it CPCT. So this was our requirement. Whether AB is equal to AC, what you do is simple. you make these two triangles congruent, and when two triangles are congruent, things will follow. AB is equal to AC by CP/CT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Tomorrow, inshallah, we shall proceed further from question number 3 onwards. Till then, I think let us attempt this question number 3 also. Question number 3, very quickly. Question number 3 is ABC is an isosceles triangle, and in which altitudes B and CF are drawn to sides AB and AC respectively. Show that altitudes are equal. Now this is a triangle, and this is given that this is an isosceles triangle. This is ABC and AB is equal to AC. This is given, and we have to prove that BE and CF are altitudes. BE is altitudes. BE is perpendicular to AC, and CF is perpendicular to AB. Now this is perpendicular, this angle and this angle. Obviously these two angles are equal. Now we have to prove that BE is equal to, this is our concern, BE is equal to CF. We have to prove that altitudes are equal. Let's take these two triangles. In triangle ABE, solution very quickly. In triangle ABE, this triangle ABE and ACF, this triangle and ACF. Now see, we choose these two triangles ABE and ACF. Now you see, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. ABE, sorry, this is angle 1, this is angle 1, and ACF, this is angle 2. These are 90-degree angles. Now see, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 each 90, because these are perpendiculars drawn. B is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. Therefore this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90 degree. So for triangle ABE, angle 1 is 90. For triangle ACF, angle 2 is 90. So I write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 each 90. Also AB, the side, this ABE. So for triangle AB, the side AB, AB is equal to side AC, because triangles are isosceles. This is given. Because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC. This is given. So ABE, this side AB is equal to of triangle AB is equal to AC of triangle ACF. Also angle A, this angle belongs to both triangles. Angle A is equal to angle A. This is common. Therefore two triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. When two triangles are here, the criteria is angle side angle is equal to angle side angle by ASA or AAS. ASA criterion, two triangles are congruent, and when two triangles are congruent, this will follow. BE is equal to CF, CP, CT. This was our requirement, whether BE is equal to CF. So once you are able to make two triangles congruent, it will become very easy for you. And for question number 4 and onwards, inshallah, tomorrow we shall proceed further. Till then, Allah Hafiz.